got a problem. Every time I wash the car, this thing flaps up. So,
how is the other side?
I'm gonna give you some Velcro. Velcro will do the trick, hopefully. See if it holds down. Let's go to Costco and go to Lowe's and get some Velcro. Because when I wash the car, that thing starts flapping every time it dries. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get me a Gorilla something watch. It's gonna work. I need some heavy duty Velcro tape.
I'll show you what everything we got.
Okay.
No, I'm thinking about putting some burlap over my cushions in my patio. So, you know, because the aid windows and heat. And I'm just going to put some stuff on it.
Yeah.
Okay, please excuse our dirty windshield. We are going to go get a car wash right now, but my husband stopped at Lowe's. So we can install this, what is it, Velcro, so that flap doesn't, it always like almost comes off whenever we go to the car wash. It almost flies off, just on this side though. So we stopped at Lowe's, he got his, I think it's Velcro, yeah, it's Velcro. And next we're gonna go to the car wash. And then our windshield's gonna be dirty.
Got it.
Now, will it work?
I don't know. We'll go do the car wash real quick and see what happens. Let's see, this is normally where it starts tapping and the little things start flapping up, so let's see. Let's see. It starts tapping, huh? And a hole. Velcro's holding. It worked. The little things in life. It worked. Velcro. See, I told you I was gonna get it fixed. I said I'm not gonna wash the car until I get it fixed because it will flap everywhere, and I was scared it was gonna tear off. So I got it fixed. Velcro works. Velcro's good. On my in the office, we have an iMac, and I had hard drives everywhere, like portable hard drives, and they were all over the desk all the time. So I put Velcro on them and I put them on the back of the computer. So they're all stuck on the back of the computer. Got 3 hard drives stuck back there.
But it looks clean.
But the desk looks clean, so Velcro works. It's someone's birthday this week.
Who?
I don't know. And she's got a birthday gift coming up. A nice one over the summer.
Oh yeah.
But
61 more days.
61 more days. But I told her I wanted her to unwrap something on her birthday, so I told her to come get herself something at a jewelry store from me.
Careful.
But she might as well pick it because it's for her, right? We're nice and simple like that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah.
What do you get?
I am looking for some huggy earrings, maybe, or hoops. I don't know. We'll see what they have. Sometimes they have like really pretty selection. Careful with these girls because obviously they think they own the world. Anyway, so we'll see what they have. I mean, I don't need anything, but we'll see. See what catches my eye.
We'll see what catches your eye. We're done. I'm going home. Someone got something. You like what you got?
Something caught my ears. I got earrings. Careful with this one. Wow, everybody's just nuts today.
And then you can't come to Santan Village and not go to Wetzel Pretzel and get some pretzels.
Yeah.
We got pretzels too. Now we can go home because the D-backs are playing right now. We beat Boston on Friday. What is it? 15-8. We should have won like 15-1, but it's okay.
It's alright.
And then yesterday we won in the 9th inning on a walk-off. And then today, hopefully we can win one more time and sweep the defending world champs. That'd be nice, huh?
That would be amazing.
They're not doing too good, so it doesn't say much because Boston isn't doing too good right now. We're gonna play them in Boston like in, I don't know, like July or August. And
I think that's
should,
when it's
yeah,
gonna be.
they should be good by then again. But it's all right. We'll have fun with this as long as we can.
Take advantage.
So we can go home and see. Someone made some. The house smells beautiful right now because someone made. What'd you make? What are you making?
Slow cooker teriyaki chicken.
Oh, the house smells beautiful.
It's gonna be good.
So we can go home and eat and watch the game. And then hopefully we can finish this vlog happy because the D-backs won. Hopefully.
Sounds good.
Wish you can be here to smell this, man. It smells.
I'm just gonna shred it quick.
Does the house smell good?
Oh yeah, smells delicious.
Hey guys, it smells really good.
Yeah,
Smells good, Noah?
it smells like a Chinese restaurant, but 100 times better. It's like homemade and all that, man. Heck, when she was putting the stuff in the crock pot, it smelled good. Now imagine how it smells cooked.
So lunch is served, and this is what we came up with. Some good stuff. Hopefully there's enough for lunch tomorrow too. Take it to work. Unfortunately, the D-backs lost today. It was a good game, but we still won the series, huh, babe? It was a good game, huh?
It was
It was a really good game.
very,
The blue
it was
team,
exciting until the end.
the blue team shocked us.
Yeah. Hey, no, you want to say something?
Coyotes are actually have sharp teeth, and they have bloody teeth. Be careful. There's coyotes out there, and they each summer or each time that's gonna happen. So you better be careful. Stay inside. They can actually eat puppies like my puppy, Kylo, and then me, anybody else, even parents. Even guess what? Be careful. That's the fragile word. Even be careful. There's those things out there. So be careful with that. There you go.
So we belong to, in the community that we live in, there is a group or a community on social media, and they give updates or just, they keep us informed, all the neighbors, all the neighborhoods. And yesterday there was one post about that one of the neighbors was out walking his dog and that he saw a big full-grown adult coyote, and he was just strolling around here, in the community, in the neighborhood, and it was like really close, actually, right to our house, like the streets, a couple streets down. And it was at night already, so I mean we weren't out, but someone got a little bit afraid of coyotes, and he wanted to know if they were dogs, and I told him they were not, but
That was me.
they're dangerous. And then we've also had like other posts say that people have seen like 3 foot, how do you say that, like snakes up to like 3 feet long, rattlesnakes around here. But I mean, we live in the desert, things like that are going to happen. And then in this community across from us, I think it was like a few years ago, they had a family of mountain lions that kept coming down the mountains. They were just looking for food. It was the mom and the cubs, and that's just what it's gonna be. We live in the desert, and we're gonna have scorpions and spiders and rattlesnakes and coyotes. That's what we gotta deal with. So now, since it's been so much warmer, everyone's out. All the animals are out. They're hungry and they're looking for food, and
But some of them are bad, like spiders, rattlesnakes. But guess what? Some of them are part of picnics. So you don't want to kill them.
some of them are part of picnics, like what?
Flies.
Ants.
Yeah.
Just
Even there's a thing that has like 10 legs, and it's like down to the ground, and it doesn't really fly, kind of flies a little bit.
like centipedes.
Yeah, those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have more than 10 legs, baby.
What? Like how many?
They have like 100, I think.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. But I thought they have 10.
So that was our day. Just kind of relaxed day.
And
This
be
was-
careful, and we lost.
Noah says be careful and that we lost. So
Careful with coyotes out there.
thank you for watching our vlog today, and
We're gonna end here.
we're gonna end here. As Noah says, we're gonna go to the grocery store and get some stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here.
But I'm boy in kindergarten, but I have coyotes in my school, like coyotes.
Oh yeah, his
That's their
his mascot's a
Not
coyote.
like real coyotes, like bad ones, but like coyotes.
That
But
coyote.
but these coyotes are bad.
Okay.
They have sharp teeth and
Yeah.
they have bloody teeth.
Yeah, he just
They
talks and
can
talks and
eat
talks.
people.
Yeah,
They can talk forever.
I want to talk forever.
yeah. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Hope
I
everybody. Huh?
I want to talk at night.
You want to talk at night?
Okay.
All right.
Each day I do that, but you don't
He's,
even
he's
hear me.
very talkative today. All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for watching, and hope everybody has a wonderful week. Bye bye.